Welcome to episode 53 of the Snowflake Snowpro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast, brought to you by BrightFlux. I'm your host, Yaqub Abdul Hakim, a certified Snowflake user, and today we're diving deep into the topic of effective folder structures for loading data. Understanding the right way to organize your data can be incredibly beneficial for optimizing performance and streamlining operations in Snowflake. So, let's get started. Why is folder structure important for loading data? First off, let's talk about why folder structure is so critical when it comes to loading data into Snowflake. A well-structured folder strategy aids in efficient data loading, performance tuning, and managing costs effectively. By organizing your data into a logical folder structure, you make it easier for Snowflake to parallelize data loading, which significantly reduces the time it takes to ingest data. Additionally, an effective structure simplifies data governance and security management by clearly defining where sensitive data resides. Best practices for folder structures in Snowflake. 1. Hierarchical structure. Organize your files in a hierarchy that mirrors your data's logical structure. This could mean separating files by source system, department, or type of data, e.g. raw versus processed. 2. Consistent naming conventions. Apply consistent naming conventions across all folders and files. This helps in identifying data sources and types quickly and also assists in automating data pipelines. 3. Use of time-based folders. Incorporate time-based folders for historical data. This allows for efficient querying by time period, which can be crucial for time-sensitive analyses. 4. Data segmentation. Segment your data based on access patterns or security requirements. For example, sensitive data could be stored separately from less sensitive data to facilitate easier management of data access controls. 5. Optimizing for performance. Plan your folder structure with performance in mind. Avoid overly nested folder structures as they can increase the time it takes to access files. Also consider the size and number of files within each folder. Too many small files can hinder performance, whereas too few large files may not utilize Snowflake's parallel processing capabilities effectively. Implications for Snowflake's performance. An efficient folder structure not only aids in faster data loading but also optimizes query performance. By organizing data in a way that aligns with your query patterns, you can ensure that Snowflake's compute resources are used efficiently, which in turn helps manage costs. Furthermore, an organized folder structure supports Snowflake's features like cloning and time travel efficiently, making your data operations more resilient and flexible. Let's discuss a case study. Imagine a multinational corporation that revamped its data loading processes by implementing these best practices. As a result, they experienced a 50% decrease in data loading times, improved query performance by 30%, and saw significant cost savings in data storage and compute resources. This example underscores the impact of effective folder structures on overall Snowflake performance. To wrap up, investing the time to craft an effective folder structure for your data can yield substantial benefits in terms of performance, cost management, and security. Whether you're a new Snowflake user or a seasoned professional, implementing these best practices can be a game changer for your data strategy. Thank you for tuning in to the Snowflake Snowpro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast. Join us next time as we dive deeper into other facets of Snowflake's vast capabilities. Until then, I'm Yaqub Abdul Hakim, wishing you successful data adventures. Goodbye.